What's up guys, it's me Eric B, and in this video I just want to do just a quick overview of everything that we've done to the V2 so far, as far as upgrades goes and everything like that, and what we plan to continue to do in the future. So just starting off with what I recently did was the top triple clamp and the clip-ons. So let me come over to the other side here to get a better view. But yeah, man, this upgrade completely transformed the way that the cockpit and everything looks, and it definitely feels a lot different when you're out riding on the road and everything. You are more, you have a more sporty feel and everything. It's a lot lower than the stock bars, but man, the way it looks is just beautiful. And then I went on ahead and added some new grips on here, and then I didn't put the caps or anything in here yet because I wasn't sure if I was going to put the Rizoma bar and mirrors back on it or just put the caps in, because I'm waiting to get some Rizoma stealth mirrors put on. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this look. Like I said, I am totally digging it. It looks beautiful. Next we did the Öhlins steering damper. Pretty easy install and definitely helps out a lot, because on the track the front end was lifting just a little bit. When you come back down, you start getting those tank slappers. That's gonna set you up for a bad day. So definitely a really good upgrade if you're looking to put this on your V2. And all these parts that I'm showing you right now are from Dooka Bike, and huge shout out to Manny at Moto Million. I will leave links down in the description below, and that's where you guys can pick these parts up for your V2. All right, next we have the case covers. So we got the one on this side, and then I'll show you the other one on the other side here. Yeah, we got those put on. Looks really good. We also have these hook tie downs that we added, so it kind of cleans that up and doesn't make it look unfinished in the back when you remove the rear pegs. And we have the rear master cylinder cover, and then to finish everything off we have the rear sets from DBK as well. But yeah, I painted my my heel guards because it doesn't come with any heel guards or anything on it. You can get some carbon fiber ones, which I might switch out to later on. I kept the stock ones. Everything looks really good. And then just a couple other things I have from DBK. I have these chain adjusters in the back. They just replace your stock ones. Just looks a lot better. And then we got these reservoir caps, which add a nice little touch. And then just other things that I've done that's not by DBK, but we have a TWM fuel cap. We have some TWM levers, a TWM oil cap. A lot of people ask me where I got my rear stand pegs from, and I got those from Pitbull. So we got the black and gold chain. I do want to swap out to a black sprocket. We do have axle sliders by Evotech, and then we also have the Evotech fender eliminator that we added on here. Looks really good. We got Rizoma turn signals, and then for the front I'll be probably adding the Rizoma stealth mirrors along with some Rizoma stealth mirrors, but for right now I have the turn signals by New Rage Cycles. All right, we did change out to the Ducati Performance seat. Doesn't change how it feels as far as how comfortable it is or anything like that. Just looks a lot better than the stock one. We did switch out the battery cover to a carbon fiber one, which looks a lot better, but I did not get this from Ducati Performance. This one is from eBay, but just a warning, when you get cheaper carbon fiber, it doesn't always fit exact. So the fitment on this was a little off, but it still worked. And then we got the tank grips by Easy Grip. A lot of people ask me where I got those from, and that's where that's from. And our windscreen is Ducati Performance. We also have a Evotech radiator guard, and of course we have the beautiful Terminani full exhaust. And yeah guys, that's about it. So things that I plan to do to this still is I do want to get some carbon parts put on here. I want to get the fenders and everything changed out on there to carbon. I'm debating whether I want to add some body graphics or anything like that on it. I do have carbon fiber wheels in mind, but I don't know if I'm still going to do that or not yet. Yeah, and that's about it. So just wanted to do a quick rundown of the parts and everything that I have upgraded on the bike. And yeah, she's coming along quite nicely. So yeah, if you guys got any comments or questions, definitely let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next one.